So, we have the Regal, we have the Dream, we have the new stadium, and we got the Harmony. Very crowded day in Cozumel. So he just asked if it was too scary. He said it wasn't scary enough. So if we flip over, it's her fault. Hi everyone, it's Don and I hope you're having a fantastic week. Well, I was just looking at some of my footage from my Alaska cruise and I realized I still had some footage from our group cruise in April on the Regal Princess that you might enjoy. So I thought I'd share some of it with you right now. So that was the jet boat experience, and it brings you out, it spins you all around, gets you absolutely soaking wet, and then it brings us over to Love Island. And on Love Island they have the chair set up, the food is included, drinks are included, you can go out on kayaks, there's swimming available, there's all kinds of things to do on it. It's just a nice relaxing afternoon, so you get your adrenaline all pumped up on a jet boat, and then you relax out on Love Island, and then you get it all pumped up again because they spin you around again on the way back. But it was a whole lot of fun, and I would really highly recommend that excursion. It suited my adventure side and my relaxing side all in one. Then on another excursion we headed off to see Stingray City and do the dolphin swim experience. Now the dolphin swim experience we cannot film. They won't let you film in there because of course, first off, you can't bring a GoPro inside because the dolphins may think it's food. You're offering them food and they may try and swallow it and it can hurt the dolphins. Completely understand that. But you also can't have somebody up on shore filming you because, well, basically they want to sell you the picture package, right? But however, I did happen to catch on the way back a little treat when we walked by a trainer who was training some of the dolphins.
Throw where? You can go again. Just they throw it to you.
Oh, I'll just bring this back. She forgot to go get it. I'll bring it. Bang.
More? No? More? They can do in the pressure on the tail like 3 times their weight. Wow. Wow. And Ali for 110 pounds.
As part of that, we headed off to Stingray City, and let's take a look. You can see the stingrays here at Stingray City are much larger than the ones that would be, say, at Princess K, where, you know, it's more enclosed. They have a certain amount of area. Princess K is a lot more intimate, as you can see by the crowd that's going to be here. And there, the stingrays at the Princess's private island, they are looking for food around you and they're feeding them, and you get to feed them. Here, only a couple people get to feed because there's just so many people there, and a lot of the excursions out there are actually told they're not allowed to feed the stingrays anymore because they lose their natural hunting ability, and a lot of them get damaged, so they kind of cut that out a little bit. But they are some large stingrays out there. So let's take a quick look at the Stingray City area. Well, there you go. I had a great time on that cruise. Everyone was so great to me, and met so many new friends, and I hope everyone just had a blast. As you can see, these shore excursions were just a lot of fun too, and a great mixture of things, from wildlife to adventure to relaxing on a beach. There's just all kinds of things to do when you're in the Caribbean, and that's one of the reasons that so many people head off that. Besides, it's warm and a lot of us live where it's cold, so we head down there when it's a little bit chilly where we live. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you a little bit of more footage from the April group cruise that we had and some of the things we did. I also wanted to make a special note to tune in on June 30th video. I'm going to have a little bit of a special announcement there, and you won't want to miss it. You can look at it again afterwards, but trust me, you just might want to tune in for this one, because I'm doing something on the channel that I've never done yet. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.